Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Enabling voltage-reducing device mode configures the CST282 to operate in VRD mode using low open circuit voltage. To enable VRD mode, visit millerwelds.com. Select Support, then Software, and select CST to download the software to a USB drive. Insert the flash drive into the USB port on the rear panel. The VRD indicator will flash with either on or off being displayed on the amperage display. Use the amperage adjust buttons to select on for low OCV on or off for low OCV off. Turn the unit off and remove the flash drive from the rear panel USB port. The update is complete. Turn on the machine and you are ready to weld. Should you desire to make the VRD setting less accessible, consult a factory-authorized service agent for information regarding how to lock the unit into the selected OCV configuration.